Hello, it's Damien at Sea Change Realty. I'd love to show you this new property we've just listed for lease. You can come rent here, right in Emu Park. This is just out the front of Fishermans Beach. You can see Fishermans Beach in the distance. Just down there, that's the Emu Park Bowls Club. Just there. But yeah, come on inside and have a look. So just walking a big area up here. This could be used as a lounge area, sitting area. And just a little walk downstairs here. I got a laundry. And then this lovely big dining area and new kitchen. Always a view. You can see the ocean from outside there, and these lovely big Norfolk pines that keep the house a bit of shade. And there's a downstairs toilet just here, around the corner and out the back. Let's get this door. You've got a clothesline, all little fencing put up, but yeah, very comfortable. All new flooring. It's got some lovely new tiles throughout, and yeah, you can see that view through there, just magic. Great Keppel Island, the beaches straight through. That's Fisherman's Beach, and then that main one out of you can just see. That's where a lot of beach there. That's Monkey Beach. Wow. So coming back up here, you've got another living area, living space, TV, nice little cane chandelier there, fans, and yeah, this is one of the larger rooms. You can see all of that there. It's got 2 windows. All bedrooms have 2 windows. Get the breeze in. A little bit smaller this one, but still it's a lovely bedroom. And this is the main bathroom just here. This is a shower, lots of space, cupboards. And yeah, I think I'd like this bedroom. This one, you could definitely wake up and see the islands from your pillow. And as well as the important thing, a breeze. A breeze is so good. I'll just put this little cap back on. Always got to capture a breeze. I don't know if you can hear that, see that just then, but yeah, just walking out here, there's a lovely breeze blowing, and that's the good thing about this property. Always get the breeze. So I haven't had a chance to bring up a nice cup of coffee or a tea to see how even better it would taste sitting up here every morning, but I'm sure it tastes great, or a cold beer in the afternoon. This is our property at Pybus Street in Emu Park, and yeah, even can just see the singing ship. Might be able to see Cape Capricorn Lighthouse here at night. Definitely Great Keppel Islands Lighthouse, which is just out there. Yeah, yacht just out there as well. Anyway, I might just wait here for a little bit longer and yeah, just to take it all in. No worries. Hope to see you soon. Come and have a look. Bye.